find craftsmen and things like that. Brilliant.
That's fantastic at that. It's not bang in the centre, I can't. That's what I really struggle. Goes well when you get it right first time.
3 round.
Right nears. He turns into fire. Movement there. And that movement, the big marks, overly, I'm making it sound very complicated now, than I ever did when I was doing it full time.
You can't use it right down in the bottom of the bowl.